Good evening. Today I want to discuss about another economy. Well, a month back I discussed a Lebanese economy and the caption was, "Would Lebanon need a Manmohan Singh?" But now, very clearly, Turkish economy is down the tube. And Turkey, which has an authoritarian president, Erdogan, like our current leader, has run his economy down in a period of 7 years. Turkish lira, which about 6 years back was trading at 3 lira to a dollar, has now dropped to 8 lira as a dollar. In 5 years, the currency has depreciated by 140%. That means the country currency has lost value at a rate of 25% every 8 years. Turkish president has been very unconventional and has directly threatened the central banker. He has said that the epitome of all evil is interest rates, and he has mandated that central bank should decide rates not based on inflation and other monetary consequences, but should take advice from the president of Turkey. Turkey 8 years back elected a strongman to rule the country. Till then, Turkey was ruled by secular parties. The current president took a very hard view on religious minorities and self-styled himself as an Islamic president. Before these secular parties changed the face of Turkey, Turkey used to be called the sick man of Europe. Turkey is a very important place geographically. Turkey is the amalgamation of various cultures. Half of Turkey is in Asia and half of Turkey is in Europe. So the line dividing Asia and Europe goes through Turkey. And Turkey's capital, Istanbul, was once known as Constantinople and was a melting point of culture and trade. So it's very important that Turkey turns around. But unfortunately, this current president has been very rhetoric and has taken a harsh stance against both European Union and the Americans and has been threatening the previous president, Trump. In fact, there was a standoff by which Turkey arrested an American pastor and would not release him for several times. And Turkey's relationship with Kurds was also a problem. Before this, Turkey used to be a very close ally of the America, part of NATO, and at one time had become a member of the European Union, though had not accepted its currency. What went wrong with Turkey and why does it need a Manmohan Singh now? Turkey has only one major advantage, is its tourism and its geography, and that the traffics between Asia and Europe has to travel through that. Turkey thus has very limited scopes for earning Forex. One of the biggest ways it was earning foreign exchange was exporting manpower into Germany and other strong and developed European countries which were short of labor. But once the Turkish president took strong religious overtones, it was very sure that this labor would not be able to move freely. Thus, Turkey started running a current account deficit. Along the way, the current president, to encourage a feel-good factor, decided to fuel a construction boom funded by both fiscal and monetary stimulus. Turkey has been historically a poor saver, so the expansionary policies of Turkey's finance ministry and this fueling demand for investment in the construction industry was met by foreign loans. Since Turkey was part of the European banks, were very keen to lend to Turkish companies. So Turkey's corporates borrowed a lot from abroad. Also, since there was a current account deficit, the Turkish government also was forced to borrow abroad. With so much money supply floating in that market and very little increase in productions and goods and services, it was bound but natural that inflation had to rise. Even after 6-7 years of crisis, the wholesale price index in Turkey is 17%, while prices measured at the consumer level are at more than 40%. The pandemic period has meant that the biggest earner for Turkey which is tourism, has not taken off. Even today, most of tourists are not allowed inside Turkey, and Turkey has closed its border even though it needs money desperately. The antidote in economics for high inflation means higher interest rates, and higher interest rates would have meant that foreign capital would not have fled the country. But as soon as the central banker decided to increase the rates, the president who is a self-proclaimed Islamist, immediately said that interest rates are the source of all evil and he would not allow interest rates to rise without his permission. And the central bank was directed to keep interest rates low. But markets don't listen to gods or godmen and follow a natural path. With low interest rates, high increase, high inflation, it was very clear that people would flee from Turkey. Money is fungible and started to leave Turkey in droves. For a time, it was Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency was also used by locals who were restricted by the government to take money outside. People use cryptocurrency to convert their Turkish lira into US dollars and stash it abroad. When the government got wise of it, it banned the use of cryptocurrency and the central bank cracked on it, further sending the lira further down. Even with high inflations of 42 at the consumer level and at 17 at the wholesale level, the Turkish government has not learnt its lesson. It runs an easy monetary policy, which means only one thing. The inflation has only one way to go, and that is up. The current account deficit of Turkey is continuously increasing, especially now that after the pandemic, oil prices have gone up. The main two sources of income to Turkey are already outside the country, transferring money into Turkey to support their family, and second is tourists visiting the country. Both these items of inward remittance have disappeared and dried up. So, Turkey is struggling. Today, the government is talking of resolving this issue by enhancing exports. All that needs to be done is for the government to increase interest rates sky high and invite IMF for a bailout package and follow restrictions. But that could mean that if all these were implemented, then Erdogan may have to leave. But he, like all strongmen, would not like to quit his power. So Turkey is in trouble for a long time to come. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.